to Kreatingthishome and welcome if you are new. I am Kayla, a married mother of 5, and I post content every Tuesday around homemaking, home decor, motherhood, and organization. So if that is your jam, make sure you hit the like button and the subscribe and that notification bell as I post every single Tuesday.
Okay, friends, today is going to be less of a chatty vlog and more of an extreme clean with me. My refrigerator is trashed, and today we are going to be tackling the top part of my refrigerator to get it deep cleaned and organized. In the beginning, I purchased a 2-pack of acrylic bins from Amazon. They are absolutely heaven sent. They help me to organize this refrigerator so much. I will leave the link for them in the description box below. All right, friends, let's get ready and prepared to clean this hot mess of a refrigerator. I am just simply starting out with just removing everything from the refrigerator to get it organized and prepped and ready for this deep clean. And I am only using hot, soapy water to clean out my refrigerator. That is it. Other than that, I am just removing everything so that we can have a nice canvas so we can start cleaning. I will also mention that I am doing this on a day where the prior day we had groceries ordered and dropped off. So the refrigerator looks a little bit more excessive, and I thank God for all the food that is in this refrigerator, but we just have to tackle it and get it all organized. Let me know down in the comments if you are one for an organized refrigerator, if you are one that put things in your refrigerator but you know where everything is. Do you wipe out your refrigerator every time you get a grocery order? Let me know some of your tips and tricks that may help me and my family maintain this organized refrigerator. We are going to get this refrigerator together. It is nasty. It is nasty. But with some hot soapy water and a little bit of elbow grease, we're going to get it done. Here is an overview of everything that I pulled out of the refrigerator, and wow, I am mighty blessed and so thankful to have so much. It was just absolute chaos and just unorganized, but you know, again, this is why we're tackling it today. So as I'm cleaning my refrigerator, I am just overwhelmed with an abundance of joy because I know that even with the elbow grease that's going into getting all the gunk and the grime off, that the end product is going to be worth it. So ladies, gentlemen, whatever your job is, if you stay at home, if you don't, if you work outside the home, just start the project. You know, even if it's overwhelming, just start the project. And if you can't, or if you feel like it's just too big, put me on your TV, put me on your cell phone, put me in your Bluetooth in your ear, and we can work on whatever project you have together. Okay, friends, I am only just popping on to let you know that I'm only cleaning my refrigerator with hot soapy water. My husband and my oldest daughter are sensitive to smell, so I cannot use bleach or Clorox or any of that. It is just hot soapy water to sanitize and sterilize this refrigerator, and it is getting the job done. It really is getting the job done, and I truly, truly appreciate just stepping out of my comfort zone and getting this big project, what felt like a big project, done. Also, let me know if you like this style of cleaning videos, or if you prefer more or less of chatty vlog style videos. Let me know down in the comments what your preference is. Okay, this is where the elbow grease wins. This is where I'm able to deep clean these bins, get them nice, clean, and ready to put back in the refrigerator in preparation for the food to go in. So I am so excited about having a clean refrigerator. It took a lot of work. It took a lot of work, but you know what? Elbow grease always wins. So now that the refrigerator is nice and cleaned, it is time to start prepping and organizing our fruits and vegetables to go into these Amazon containers. And yes, like I said, you will see how this works out. It worked out absolutely to perfection, to perfection. Washing the fruits and vegetables is always my favorite part because it allows my kids to be able to just grab and go and not have to worry about washing every single individual serving. They can just grab and go, and it's readily available for the whole family. As you can see, I have cut, prepped, and washed everything. Everything now has a new home, and we are now finding places for the random things that didn't quite fit before, but now have a new place to call home in my refrigerator. I am so proud of myself for actually tackling this and getting this all done. I am so proud of myself. So you don't have to be scared to do things like this. You just have to step out on faith and get started. And again, I truly and genuinely appreciate each and every one of you that watch my videos. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Also, check out the rest of my videos on this channel, Kreating This Home. And here is the view of what my refrigerator is currently looking like. These Amazon bins absolutely transform my refrigerator, and I love them, love them. I didn't get them for each and every drawer. I just got them for the top part of my refrigerator, but nevertheless, they are a game changer, heaven sent. My refrigerator looks 1,000% better, and with a little elbow grease, this extreme clean with me was well worth it. Absolutely well worth it.
Thank you all for staying tuned until the end of my refrigerator clean. Make sure you like and subscribe as I post every single Tuesday. And shout out to all the homemaking, stay-at-home moms, or if you are a working mom and you do this on a daily basis or a weekly basis or a monthly basis, shout out to you because you are truly appreciated. I will see you all next week.
I won't make it easy for you now.